माय ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेंड्स आउट देयर, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी ब्रेक, जहां हम बात करते हैं लाइफस्टाइल, फैशन, ब्यूटी और बहुत सारी और चीज़ों के बारे में। अगर आपने अभी तक ये चैनल को नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया है तो प्लीज़ डू चेक आउट द कंटेंट। अगर आपको ये कंटेंट हेल्प करता है किसी भी फॉर्म में, किसी भी चीज़ में, तो प्लीज़ डू कंसिडर लाइकिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड शेयरिंग दिस कंटेंट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली। तो आज का ये जो वीडियो है, दिस इज़ अबाउट नायका हॉल। तो आज हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। इसमें मेकअप है, आपका नॉर्मल स्किन केयर रूटीन या बॉडी केयर रूटीन के बारे में चीज़ें हैं, आपके हेयर केयर रूटीन के बारे में चीज़ें हैं। तो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो। सो सबसे पहला जो मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट है विच वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज़ अबाउट द बॉडी केयर और स्किन केयर की जो हमारी रेंज है। तो उसमें से जो मैंने सबसे पहले प्रोडक्ट चूज़ किया था वो था ये एम कैफीन का बॉडी लोशन। सो मेरे पास सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एम कैफीन के ही हैं जो मैंने ऑर्डर किए, जस्ट टू ट्राई आउट इफ इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स और नॉट। सो दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉक्स लुक्स लाइक एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द पैकिंग लुक्स लाइक। So if you see, this is how so all the products are made from coffee, that is what they claim for. And this what they say on the bottle is this is lightweight non-greasy gel lotion. So this is how the consistency of this looks like. So if you see it, this is how it looks like. ये बहुत ज़्यादा, I would not say this is a real good solution for a very dry people, but if you are normal and a dry skin, मतलब जो नॉर्मल सी ड्राई स्किन होती है, एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई नहीं, उसके लिए हो, yes, the claim is right that it is not greasy, it is a gel like consistency, and this doesn't look oily on your skin at all, but इसका stay इतना अच्छा नहीं है, that is what I have experienced. बट अगर आप इसको, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप इफ़ यू आर इनटू अ रूटीन कि आपको रात को भी क्रीम लगानी है, नाइट टाइम आप पैरों पे क्रीम या हाथों पे क्रीम लगा के सोते हैं, तो इट इज़ अ गुड सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट। बट आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ अदरवाइज इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड बाय और नॉट। सो बॉक्स पे इसका प्राइस इज़ 375 and I got it for 263. So I think this is reasonable enough for that, and it is a 200 ml quantity. उसके हिसाब से it is good enough, but 375 का I'm not sure if you should buy it or not. Moving on to the next product, which is body polishing oil. So this is how it looks like. What it says on is that it has coffee and it has vitamin E. This is for all skin types. Price for this is 445 and I got it for 312. So इस टाइम कुछ ऑफ चल रहा था, तो that I got it. So bottle is really amazing. It is a glass bottle if you see, and बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी एक ग्लास बॉटल है, और इसका ये सिक्योर वाला एक कैप है। दिस इज़ टाइट एनफ, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपने किसी चीज़ में डाला तो ये स्पिल होने के कोई चांसेस है। द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस बॉडी ऑयल इज दैट इट हैज़ दीज बीन्स, इफ़ यू कैन सी इट हैज़ दीज बीन्स एंड दिस लुक्स रियली नाइस। इसके अंदर एक कॉफ़ी वाली एक माइल्ड सी एक फ्रेगनेंस है जो कि मैं महसूस कर सकती हूँ, बट अदरवाइज आई मीन बॉटल को जस्ट देखो तो येस, दिस इज़ अ रियल गुड बाय आई वुड से। एंड इफ आई शो यू हाउ दिस लुक्स लाइक, सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़। जैसे एक नॉर्मल ऑयल होता है वैसा ही है, बट इसको मुझे कुछ दिन हो गए हैं यूज़ करते हुए। द थिंग विच आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इन दिस वन इज़ कि दिस एक्चुअली इज़ वर्किंग इज़ वॉट आई थिंक, बट स्टिल आई वुड नॉट go for a conclusion right now. I would rather wait for a few more days to come to a conclusion. You can apply it on your arms, that's what they say. The claim say, the bottle says that you have to apply it and you have to massage it for 5-10 minutes to get the most out of it. So I have been trying it out and I feel it is doing a fairly good job, and I could see a little sheen on my arms without even applying anything. So that way it is working, I believe, but maybe I would still not conclude on this until I try it for some more time. The next product from the range is hand cream. So what they claim on the box is that this is coffee with white water lily. So this is what the bottle says, and use करने के लिए they say you rub it on your hands for 5 minutes, just use it, and morning evening आप दोनों time use कर सकते हो and you can get the most out of it. I don't know what was the price because I got it along with other products. This was a free sample which I got. Tube is something which looks like this, like any other hand cream. One is I find this packing really travel friendly. मतलब आप कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हो और आपको ड्राई हैंड से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक मी मेरे को ड्राई हैंड से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो दिस रियली इज़ गुड. This has a very mild smell like coffee, I would say. This is how it looks like. So मुझे लगा this is doing a fairly good job, but I'm not sure if you would specifically go for this brand ever or not for a hand cream, but मिला है free में तो not a bad choice. So yeah, this is what I have got. Next one on the list is M-Caffeine का sugar scrub, sugar body scrub. So what it says is it is with coffee and coconut, and this is for normal to oily skin. The box contains two things. One is a glass jar like this which has scrub, and the other is a scoop which you can use to extract it. So this is the scoop. तो आपको use कैसे करना है? You have to just get a scoop of this and apply some water and rub it on your hands or legs or anywhere wherever you feel it is little tanned. So it is a good exfoliator, not a problem in that. मतलब अच्छा काम करता है जो भी whatever it is intended for, but I'm not sure if you would. This is really a good buy. I mean, I could basically get a 1 rupee coffee ka sachet or coconut oil at home and just mix it and use it, but so I'm not really sure if it is that great. But again, it's only been few weeks I have been trying it out. I would like to try it for a little longer to give you the exact reviews on this one, so please wait for more reviews on M-Caffeine products. So yeah, so this is what I purchased actually, and this is a potli which I got free. So इसमें से कुछ भी product मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है. तो I got a shampoo from M-Caffeine, and then I got a conditioner again from M-Caffeine. No, I think, sorry, it's a hair oil. I got a shampoo and got a hair oil. तो hair oil में what they say is it is coffee oil with redensil, I think redensil. तो this is what I have got. तो यूज़ करने का तरीका सेम है like any other oil. Before washing, apply it for 2-3 hours and then wash it off. And shampoo में it is coffee and protein. So people who are with high porosity maybe can use it, but low porosity I'm not sure if you should use regularly a protein based shampoo or not. The third thing which I got is actually quite different, and मैंने कभी इसके बारे में सुना नहीं था. It is a scalp scrub. So what they say is this is made of coffee powder plus a natural AHA. So AHA is basically a chemical kind of exfoliator which is included. So I am not very sure if I'll be using this on my hair as a chemical based exfoliator. So these are the 3 products I got as samples inside this potli. Potli is not that great, but nevertheless it is good to keep. Okay, so these were the products from my skincare and body care range, and now I move on to the hair care range. Hair care में मैंने बहुत सारी natural चीज़ें मंगवाई है because I love trying natural things on my hairs. So the first thing out of that bucket is I have got Khadi ka Shikakai powder. This is what I have got. This is for 235 rupees and there was no off that time. तो ये 235 का ही मिला है. उसके बाद I have got this खादी का अगेन रीठा पाउडर, अगेन 235 रुपीज़. तो ये दोनों बॉटल्स मिली. सो द क्वांटिटी इन दीज इज़ 150 ग्राम्स बोथ. ये बहुत अच्छे कंटेनर्स के अंदर है, स्टील कंटेनर्स विच आर टाइट इनफ. तो अगर मैं आपको खोल के दिखाऊँ तो यस, दिस इज एयर टाइट, गुड. इसको निकालने के बाद भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. इंडियन बीन्स इंडियन, सो आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द पाउडर, मतलब इसके अंदर ऐसे कुछ पैकेट होगा और उसके अंदर पाउडर होता है. इंस्ट्रक्शन वाइज इस पर लिखा होता है कि आप इसको कैसे यूज़ करना है. इनके खुद की कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस होती हैं, बट डेफिनेटली आप जैसे भी चाहें इन पाउडर्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मैं यूजुअली पानी में मिक्स करके आई जस्ट कीप इट ऑन माई वॉश माई हेयर्स, कीप इट फॉर 1 आवर और उसके बाद आई वॉश इट ऑफ विदाउट अ शैम्पू. तो आपको जैसे भी ठीक लगता है जो इन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं वैसे, या कुछ ग्रैंड माँ के नुस्खे आपके पास हैं, हाउ यू वांट टू यूज़ इट. खादी इज समथिंग विच आई फील इज मोर नेचुरल. मतलब इसमें एडल्ट्रेशन होगा भी तो मिक्स एंड मैच थोड़ा कम होगा इज़ वॉट आई बिलीव. बट अगर आप रॉ ले सकते हो तो रॉ भी बहुत अच्छा है, बट मुझे थोड़ा कभी कभार पाउडर्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो आई गॉट दिस. सो आई बिलीव दिस इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर दोस. द थर्ड थिंग विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम हेयर केयर रूटीन, हेयर केयर रेंज वॉज बेसिकली अ लैवेंडर असेंशियल ऑयल फ्रॉम नायका। तो मैं बहुत टाइम से नायका के कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करना चाहती थी, स्पेशली फ्रॉम दिस असेंशियल ऑयल्स रेंज। सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली फ्रॉम आई थिंक डैंड्रफ वाले कैटेगरी में से। अगर आपको डैंड्रफ है तो आप अपने हेयर केयर के कुछ रूटीन्स में इसको फॉलो कर सकते हो। तो दिस इज़ ऑफ 350 रुपीज़, नो ऑफ अगैन। दिस वॉज आई थिंक ऐसे ही मुझे मिला था 350 रुपीज़ का ही, बट बहुत प्यारी खुशबू है इसकी। इट्स रियली अमेजिंग। आपके बालों में से एक बहुत प्यारी सी फ्रैग्रेंस आ सकती है। तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़, आप डिस्टिल्ड वाटर में मैं इसके कुछ ड्रॉप्स डाल लेती हूँ, एंड देन यू जस्ट स्प्रे इट ऑल ओवर योर हेयर्स। इट रियली गिव्स अ गुड स्मेल अलॉन्ग विद दैट, क्योंकि ये डैंड्रफ के लिए है तो यू कैन यूज इट दैट वे। तो या, सो दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैड ऑन द हेयर केयर। आप भी मूव करते हैं मेकअप के रेंज की तरफ है, जिसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। तो फर्स्ट कैटेगरी हम जो स्टार्ट करेंगे वो नेल पेंट से स्टार्ट करेंगे। मैंने बड़े सारे नेल पेंट्स लिए इस बार। तो सबसे पहले मैंने दो ये नेल पेंट्स लिए, विच इज़ फ्रॉम फेसेस कैनेडा। वन इज़ इन येलो कलर। इफ आई टेल यू द कलर, आई डोंट नो, I'll link it properly. I don't know what is the color. So this is in purple color, lavender color this is. So again these two MRP is 109. I think मुझे कुछ off पे ये मिला था. But I really did not like them. This gives a paint like, मतलब जैसे कुछ पेंट लगाया हुआ है ना, it gives that kind of finish. So मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया. If I use it, I can show you. जब ये ड्राई हो जाता है तो एक ऐसा लगता है जैसे वॉल्स पे कुछ पेंट किया हुआ है, राइट? तो वैसा वाला एक फील आपको देगा। तो बट ये पेंट जैसी फिनिश देता है, जो कि मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया। तो मे बी probably this is the first and the last buy from Faces Canada for nail paints. No more nail paints from their range. So moving on to the next one, which is from Color Bar. So Color Bar I got these 4. So the first one is in the color Salmon's Right. So this is a very good rust shade. So I really like this one. Another one is black, which is this is called Black Maze. So this is not something which has sheen. So this is how it looks like. And then I got it another color, which is in classic pink. So this has a little sheen and it is a very beautiful pink color. I really like this one. And the next one I got from my mom, which is in Poppy. The color name is Poppy. So this is our, मतलब ब्रश से थोड़ा सा darker shade में brick red kind of shade है ये. So this looks really nice. So and these all are I think MRP was 199 and I got it on in 150 rupees, all of them 150 each. So this is what I got. So amazing. Color Bar के जितने भी आपको nail paints मिलेंगे, they will have a good sheen, they will have a good coverage, they will बहुत सूखते बहुत जल्दी हैं। सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है कि नेल पेंट्स को ड्राई करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, तो कलर बार बहुत जल्दी सूख जाता है और ये बहुत जल्दी रिमूव नहीं होता है। सो दिस इज लाइक द बेस्ट रेंज फॉर नेल पेंट्स। Okay, moving on to the next one, which is I have got a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this is how it looks like. This is in the color, so this is matte and poreless. This is for normal to oily skin. This is with SPF 22, and the color which I got was okay. The color which I got is warm nude. This is the color I've got, 128 warm nude, and I did get some off on this as well. So जितनी भी चीज़ें थी उनमें कुछ ना कुछ mostly सब पे off था ही, but okay, the price for this one is 549. I got it for 357. So I think this was a very good buy. Fit Me is something, Maybelline is something, this gives you a good coverage. This has wide range of colors. So yeah, this works really best for me. But yes, if you're too much into makeups and you want a real high definition, probably this is not something which I would really recommend you buying. But normal people who are like, मतलब कभी कभार मेकअप करना है और कभी कभार यूज़ करना है, this provides you a good coverage and this is really matte. So good buy for that thing. Okay, the next thing which I've got is a loose powder from K Beauty. So K Beauty मतलब रिसेंटली नहीं, काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है वैसे तो, बट येस दे हैव रियल गुड प्रोडक्ट्स, मतलब मुझे उनके मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं. तो आउट ऑफ दिस वन इज दिस एज वेल. So this is in the color, I'll tell you the price as well as color. So this is in the color banana, and the price was MRP 799 and I have got it for 599, which was a great buy that time. And if I show you this thing, right, so ये spill नहीं हो सकता किसी भी तरीके से. if you see, इसके कवर के अंदर ये चीज़ है, एंड इफ़ यू क्लोज इट तो इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. तो वन इज़ पैकिंग बहुत ही स्लीक है, तो ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है. अनदर इज़ ये कभी भी स्पिल नहीं होगा, ये कभी भी मेसी नहीं होगा. इट विल बी लाइक दिस ओनली. यू कैन यूज इट ईदर विद योर ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर और विद अ गुड ब्रश. एनीथिंग इज फाइन, बट येस दिस गिव्स यू अ रियल मैट फिनिश. लूज पाउडर में जो एक ग्रैनुल्स होने चाहिए बहुत फाइन होने चाहिए. दिस इज परफेक्ट फॉर दैट. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड एवरीबडी हु इज लुकिंग फॉर अ लूज पाउडर, प्लीज ट्राई टू गेट अ कलर ऑफ योर स्किन. I mean skin वाला कलर, आपकी स्किन वाला कलर. You can buy it in this one. So I highly recommend this K Beauty. The next thing which I have from K Beauty is are these eyeliners. I got it in black and a green color. Wow, what are eyeliners? मतलब कितनी प्यारी पिगमेंटेशन है, बहुत easy to use है. इनकी जो ब्रश की टिप है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फाइन है, तो आपको जिस भी तरह का आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट अपने आईज पे करना होगा, so this can really help you do that art and craft. If you see, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Yeah, now you can see. So you see how fine the tip is. The only thing which I don't like about these eyeliner is अगर आप इसको डालते और निकालते हैं, you have to apply a little pressure. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप बिगनर हो तो अगर आप लगा रहे हो इसको तो ये निकालना डालना एक अलग तरह का पेन हो सकता है, but otherwise no problem in these. So this is how it looks like. So they are very pigmented. बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई होने में टाइम नहीं लेते, एकदम मैट है. तो ऑल एंड ऑल अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. द ओनली ड्रॉबैक इज इसको निकालना और डालना. बट अदरवाइज दीज वर गुड बाय. सो दीज वर बोथ आर ऑफ 499 each and I got it for 399 each. So that time I got some off on these products. The next one again I have from K Beauty is this blush. So this is how the packing of the blush looks like. So this is in the color Sugar Candy. मतलब what a color. मतलब this is one of my favorite colors right now. I am actually wearing this same blush today. This gives a super clean look to you. If I show you how this looks like, so this is how the color looks like. आप देख सकते हैं this is very pigmented. You might have to take, if you want little darker on your cheeks, you might have to take, you know, मतलब ब्रश को 2-3 बार रब हो सकता है करना पड़े, but otherwise this is amazing. A good mirror they have. So this was MRP of this product was 799. I got it for 599 that time. So highly recommend this one. I really like this color and this is a very good color for Indian skin tone. So yeah, go for it guys. The next one I got is these eyelashes. This is from PAC Professional Artistic Cosmetics. So the MRP of these eyelashes was okay, the MRP for eyelashes was 375. I got it for 338. Nothing much gain, but I really like these PAC eyelashes. मतलब not very expensive, not on the cheaper side either, but they really do the work very well. So I think somebody जो अभी start कर रहे हो सिर्फ eyelashes, I think you can go with this one. So I can actually put it in like which size it is. This is in tapered lashes. These are called tapered lashes. So I'll exactly put the details in the description box below. But if you're just starting new, go for these eyelashes. It is a really good, you know, to have it in your vanity. The next thing which I got free with all these K Beauty products is their lip crayon, which is in the color Playback. I got this free. What an amazing color, what an amazing formulation. So please guys go ahead with this one. This has real good colors and pigmentation of this one is very good. This is on the matte side, but again at the same time it gives you the required moisture. It doesn't feel dry on the lips and it has a good coverage. So people who are little British tone, we really like this color. So Playback color. I don't know the price of this one because I got it on for free, but I'll probably link it in the description what was the price. The next one I have is these three Real Technique brushes. These are eyeshadow blending brushes. So the first one which I have is the Deluxe Crease brush. This is a bigger blending brush, I would say. And the second one I have is RT301, which is a base shadow brush. And the next one I have is the Angle eyebrow refiner, and it's poly. So if you are a beginner, then please go for this one. Using only these three brushes, you can actually work on your eyeshadow and get a good coverage. But if you are somebody who is a professional, you might need more brushes. But to start with, I think this is a good investment. MRP of this one was 1149, and I got it at the same price. There was no off on Real Techniques, but it is a good investment. The next one which I have is from Nykaa again. This is a beauty blender from Nykaa. मैंने इसको आज यूज़ किया था तो इसलिए ये ऐसा है. So this is how it looks like. It is pointed from top and it has a very good round at the bottom. So one thing which I like about this is it is cheap. So I think the MRP for this is 425 and I got it for 319 rupees. So this is, I think, one of the most cheapest beauty blenders available in the market. But at the same time, I did not find it that useful. The reason for that is it doesn't give you that coverage. Beauty blenders are made ताकि आपको एक HD finish आपके face पे मिले, and you should not be doing too much of work with your beauty blenders. But this actually it doesn't give you that good coverage is one thing I would say. And if you see, right, this is not that soft. I don't know, there is something in the middle. There is something in the middle which is not making it that soft. If you see, it is very dense. Somebody who is starting might want to invest in this one and get used to how to use a beauty blender, and then you probably want to invest in a good beauty blender. So this really did not work for me that well, and this takes too much of product also. I don't know, this is very dense, but at the same time it takes too much of product. I'm not very sure why it happens. Usually you tap it a little and then you start using it, but this really did not work for me. So a no for this one. If people are into makeup and you want to really invest into good cosmetics, good brushes, good blenders, then no for this one. But somebody who is starting with it, if you get it at a price of 300 something, go for it, and you can try and see if it really works for you or not. The next one which I have on the list are these Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes. So you get a combo of these two palettes is usually what I have seen, and this combo was available. MRP of this combo was 1900 rupees, but that time it was available for 1000 rupees. I wanted to try out and see how this works and what kind of pigmentation it has. I am really happy with what the palette does. It is not something which is for professional use for sure. I would not recommend anybody using this for any professional use, but this does a real good job for somebody who is just starting. So this is how the color pigmentation looks like. It is not that good, but it's not that bad as well. Let me try to give you one more swatch of another color. So some of the darker colors are really good, but some of the lighter colors, and especially the colors which are shimmery, I find it's little difficult to get it on your brush and apply it. So the best thing is to do it is just use it with your fingers and get your job done. So this is how the color pigmentation looks like. But anybody who is starting new and doesn't want to invest too much because you're still experimenting, this is a good buy. Get your hands dirty on this one, and once you're very confident, go and invest in good eyeshadow palettes. But these are so they have different range in this one. उनके बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं कि आप कौन से कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस बाय कर सकते हो. बट ये वाला जो रेंज था, आई थिंक दिस वाज मोर फ्रॉम अ न्यूड एंड साइड. So I bought this one, but definitely you can try and see what works for you, what you want to experiment upon, and then start using these one. The next thing which I have is a highlighter from Wet n Wild. I don't see many people raving about this highlighter, but trust me guys, this is one of the best highlighters which I have used till now. There are the other ones which are expensive out there which are really good, but something which is in this range and is this great is I've not used something like this. So this was off $5.99. the MRP is $5.99. I got it for $5.99 only. So if I show you how this looks like as a highlight, I'm using this today as well. So you see what an amazing color this is. This is a very good, I mean, this gives you a little sheen on your face. At the same time, it doesn't look too much of sheen, so you can choose how you want to use it. You know, if you use a fan brush, it doesn't come too much on the fan brush, so you can pop it up, you know, by doing 1 or 2 applications as in however you like. But amazing color for somebody who is looking for a reasonable and a good highlighter. You can go for this one. The color of this is Blossom Glow. So I highly recommend people purchasing this because it's really a good investment in highlighters. Okay, the next one in the range is from Estee Lauder. This is Advanced Night Repair, and I got 2 bottles of this at the same time, and because I tried out my mini versions of this one already, I got a bigger one. So this is how it looks like, guys. This is on an expensive side. I think this is somewhere on 3,000. This is on 3,900. I got it. I got one sample along with this one. This 3,900 MRP fixed I got, but along with this I also got a sample which had a face wash. Along with that, it has some concentrators, you know, to glow up your skin. But this is a real good investment, guys. I know it is on the expensive side. If you can afford, please go for this one. This really makes your skin look healthy, glowing, and you will see a lot of difference in your skin, especially mom's age. Somebody, if you regularly use it, you will see a lot of difference in your skin. So I highly recommend this one, but again, because this is on expensive side, nobody is forcing anybody. If you can afford, please do try it. But if you can only afford it once, there is no point in trying it out. Do invest in something else. The last thing from the Nykaa haul is I got this vanity kit. I really like this one. This is very spacious. मैंने इससे पहले भी काफ़ी सारी किट्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, बट दिस हैज़ वेरी गुड फैब्रिक. अगर आप फैब्रिक टच करोगे तो बहुत ही अच्छा फैब्रिक है, और इसकी स्पेस इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई कैन कीप लॉट ऑफ स्टफ इन दिस वन, एंड ये बहुत ही ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है. इस पर स्क्रैचेस नहीं पड़ते हैं, और ये ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपने कभी दबाया इसको तो इस पर कुछ लाइन्स या ये दब जाएगी. इट विल रिटेन इट्स शेप. तो एंड वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. आप कहीं भी वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली, आप कहीं भी जा रहे हो तो आप इसको ट्राई आउट कर सकते हो, आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. आई विल लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. मुझे इसका प्राइस एक्चुअली में बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है, तो बट ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव साइड पे नहीं था फॉर श्योर. तो एंड यू कैन सी हाउ बिग इट इज़, और ये बहुत अच्छी ब्रॉड भी है, तो बहुत सारा सामान आपका आ सकता है जब भी आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो. तो आई वुड रिकमेंड बाइंग दिस वन. ओके गाइज, दैट्स व्हाट आई हैड फॉर टुडे. आई होप इसमें से ऐसा कुछ ज़रूर होगा जो आप इस रिव्यूज़ को सुनने के बाद आप बाय कर सकते हैं. And if you want me to buy something and put reviews, please put it in the comment section below. Until then, be happy, be safe, and bye bye. See you next time.